Hello student, in class 7 exercise 2.4 we will see the exercise. So here in the question number 1, in the first part, here we have to perform division operation. So how we can write that? If you have seen the introduction part of the division, then you can easily solve. So whenever you get the division, it is better if you convert into multiplication sign, and you have to do the reciprocal of the next number. So the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. You have to just reverse the next number, and then as I told you, multiplication is quite easy. Then after this you have to do the multiplication of the number 12 into 4 and downside 1 into 3. Here there is no number, so it is nothing but 1 into 3. So here 12 into 4 is 48. So here the denominator is smaller, so you can divide 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3, here it is 1. And then finally here it is 3 into 6 is 18. So here remainder will be 0. So its answer is 16. So the answer of the first question is 16. Then we will go for the second one, 14 into reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. And then you have to do the multiplication. So 14 into 6 is 84 upon 5. So again denominator is smaller, so divide this number by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 will be remainder, 4 take upside. 5 into 6 is 30, remainder will be 4. So the answer is 16, 4 upon 5. Now we will solve the third one, 8. As it is into, the reciprocal is 3 upon 7. So 8 into 3 is 24, 7 as it is, divide this number by 7. 7 into 3 is 21, remainder will be 3. So the answer is 3 upon 7. Next question, 4 into 3 upon 8 is the reciprocal. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it is 3 into 1 is 3, downside 2 will be there. So again denominator will be smaller, so you can divide 3 by 2. So remainder will be 1. So its answer is 1 upon 2. Going for the fifth question, 3 into. So here before doing multiplication, you know it's a mixed fraction. So it is better if you convert that. So here as usual you use division sign. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 7 upon 3. Now you can use the sign of multiplication. So 3 into 3 upon 7, that is the reciprocal. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 upon 7. So here we got the answer 9 upon 7. So you can divide 9 by 7. So remainder will be 2. So its answer is 1. 2 upon 7. So 5. Next question, 5. Division sign. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So here 25 upon 7. So how you will solve? Reciprocal of this number is reverse. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So finally it is 7 into 1 is 7 upon 5. So 7 divided by 5, remainder will be 2. So its answer will be, what is the answer? 1, 2 upon 5. This is the answer of this question. Going into the next question. So question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following and then classify whether it is proper, improper or whole number. That we have to decide. What we will decide? Whether it is proper fraction, improper or whole number. So first reciprocal is, you can say here, reciprocal of 3 upon 7 equals to 7 upon 3. We got the reciprocal, and here denominator is smaller. After getting what they are asking in the question, find the reciprocal and classify the reciprocal as proper, improper. So here the denominator is smaller, that means it is improper fraction. So same technique you use for solving other. Second, now I am directly solving. So reciprocal of this is 8 upon 5. So 8 upon 5 is, here denominator is small, so it is improper fraction. Third one, reciprocal of this is 7 upside 9 downside. So here it is proper because denominator is larger. So it is proper fraction. Next one is 5 will be upside, 6 will be down. So it is also proper because denominator is larger. Here its reciprocal is 7 upon 12. So it is also proper. Next one is 8 upon 1. It is nothing but 8. So this is known as a whole number. Last question, here the reciprocal of this is 11. So that is also whole number. Then after doing this, going for the next question. So in the next question, question number 3, you have to find. Again division is there. So 7 upon 3 as it is, here multiplication. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Do their multiplication. 7 into 1 is 7. 3 into 2 is 6. So denominator is smaller. 7 divided by 6. Remainder will be 1. So its answer is 1 upon 6. Then we will solve the second one. 4 upon 9 into reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. So its answer is 4 into 1 is 4. 9 into 5 is 45. So denominator is greater. So the final answer is 4 upon 45. Next one, 16 upon 13 into 1 upon 7. So its answer is 6 into 1, 6. And then you have to calculate here 13 into 7. So it is 91. So here denominator is larger. So it's a final answer because it's a proper fraction. Next question. This is the mixed one. So convert into improper fraction. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 upon 3. And here division as it is I am writing. Next step we will do that. Reciprocal. Here 13 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. Now we got the reciprocal of 3. 13 into 1 is 13. 3 into 3 is 9. So it is improper. So 13 divided by 9. So here you do subtraction. 13 minus 9. 4. Here 0 will be there. So the answer, final answer is 4 upon 9. This is the final answer. Fifth one, first you convert mix into improper. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 2, division sign 4. Then 7 upon 2 into reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. So finally you do multiplication. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 2 is 8. This is the proper fraction because denominator is larger. Then next question. Convert that mix into improper. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Then division as it is. Then 31 upon 7 into reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon 7. 31 into 1 is 31. 7 square is 49. So it is an example of proper fraction because downside denominator is larger than numerator. After this we will go for the next question. Question number 4, it is just same like previous question. 2 upon 5. Then here multiplication sign. So reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 1 is 5. This is the proper fraction because denominator is larger. So this will be the final answer. 4 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. This is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So its answer is 4 upside. 4 into 1 is 4 and downside 3 into 2 is 6. Again both the number are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So it is 2 upon 3. This is the final answer. Third one. 3 upon 7 into reciprocal is 7 upon 8. 7 got cancelled because both are same. So the answer is 3 upon 8. It's a proper fraction. Then we will solve this. This is the mix, so convert into improper. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So it is 7 upon 3. Division sign 3 upon 5. It is nothing but 7 upon 3. Reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. And finally we will solve that. 7 into 5 35. 3 into 3 is 9. So you divide this number 35 by 9. So 9 into 3 is 27. So you have to subtract that number. So it is 8. So finally our answer is 8 upon 9. Going into the question number 5th, mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So it is 7 divided by 2. Now I am directly solving. In place of division you use multiplication and find the reciprocal. So reciprocal is 3 upon 8. And then you do multiplication. 7 into 3 21. 8 into 2 is 16. Denominator is smaller, so 21 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16. And here remainder will be 5. So your answer is 5 upon 16. This is the answer. Then 6th question, 2 upon 5, division sign, and here you have to find mix. You have to convert this mixed fraction. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Then next step we will write 2 upon 5 into reciprocal of this is 2 upon 3. So your answer is 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. This is the proper fraction. So this is the final answer. In the next one we have both mixed fraction. So it is first you convert into improper. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Division side, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So it is 5 upon 3. So 16 upon 5 into, you have to find reciprocal of this. So it is 3 upon 5. So here you have to do their multiplication. Downside it is 25. And here upside you have to do multiplication. 6 into 3 is 18. Carry 1. 3 into 1 is 3. And here 1 48. And finally you have to divide this number by 25. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the remainder will be 23. So we have the answer 123 upon 25. This is the answer. Last question now we will solve. So first we will convert into improper. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Division sign. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. So it is written as into reciprocal of this number. So it is 5 upon 6. 5 got cancelled. So it is finally 11 upon 6. So you divide this number by 6. 6 ones are 6. So it is remainder will be 5. And finally we got the answer 5 upon 6. So I hope friend you understood this exercise. Thanks for watching. Thank you.